Hello guys, so Microsoft just released the Edge version 111 past week, and this version is coming with this large Bing icon at the top of the toolbar, and unfortunately we don't have any option to remove this Bing icon. So in this video I will show you how we can remove this button using some settings. So first of all, we just need to make sure that Edge browser is completely closed. Just close this and also check the task manager that there is no Edge browser open. So just search for the Edge browser, and this one is open, and task this. Okay, now we don't have any Edge process running. We are good to go with the next step. Okay, the next step is we have to open the registry. So just go to the search bar and search for the registry, Regedit. This one is the registry editor. Just open this. Okay, here is our registry editor. You will see the multiple options. So just go to the HKE local machine, and under this go to the software, and under the software search for the policies, and under the policies folder go with the Microsoft, and in the Microsoft folder just right click and select the new key and rename this folder as Edge. Okay, now click on the Edge folder, and in the blanks window click on the new and go with the DWORD 32-bit value and rename this HUBS sidebar enabled. Just make sure the spellings are correct. Okay, its default value is 0, which is correct, so we will go with the default value. Okay, now we can close this registry editor for the next step. Okay, now we need to verify the settings. So just open the Edge browser and check the Bing icon. Now this icon is gone. If you still see the icon, you need to manually refresh the policies. For this purpose, go to the Edge:/policies in the search bar, and you will see the option reload policy at the top. Just click on this button and this policy will be refreshed.